गालियां हैं कोई बात नहीं, बैंक बैलेंस भी होना चाहिए।
एक ही लाइन में क्रैक कर दिया तुमने।
इतनी इंटेलिजेंस और कहाँ से आएगी? मेरे तो थूक की भी IQ है।
I think I've been a pick me at some point.
भाई बड़ा मसला था भाई, कितनी घनघोर पिकमी थी मैं।
Have we all somehow unlearned I'm not like other girls?
Yeah.
The moment a guy says that to you, you know you're not supposed to talk to them
Yeah.
anymore.
Yeah, it's a block.
My first boyfriend would like change my pad for me.
What? Can you hesitate?
The funniest hate comment I've got is चूतिया लड़की है बट सुंदर है इसलिए देख लेता हूँ।
I've got the worst one is कि यही बात अगर पिंक बिकिनी में कर दो तो मजा आ जाए।
How do you deal with this?
I bought a pink bikini then.
Best or worst thing about dating in your 30s?
You know yourself better. इसीलिए कोई पसंद ही नहीं आता फिर।
मुझे तो लेडी बॉय बोलते रहते हैं।
मुझे तो सिर्फ बॉय। अभी तक ना कमेंट आएगा गुरलीन को क्यों बुलाया या ऑल गर्ल्स।
Thank you so much for all of you who've made it here. And thank you to all these wonderful women who've taken our time. This is Yuva All Stars 2025 Women in Comedy Round Table. And this is presented by our friends at NUA who are very much here. Thank you for supporting us in making this conversation happen. So we're going to start with a fun game. Okay? I have chits that I'm going to pass on. आप एक-एक chit pass on करो. It's called Who Said What. ठीक है, आपके पास जो चिट्स है उस पर एक फनी लाइन या स्टेटमेंट है एंड यू हैव टू गेस कि ये किसने बोला होगा. करीमा, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद यू.
गवर्नमेंट को मेरी ड्राइविंग पे विश्वास है पर मेरे पिता को नहीं.
Who do you think must have said this?
I think it's Gurleen.
I feel like it's I thought Gurleen or Prashasti, one of them, but I think
No.
Gurleen.
गलत जवाब.
Gurleen,
no?
Prashasti?
I will never
No.
use.
Vagmita, is it Vagmita?
No. What's our verdict, guys? Who must have said this?
Sharanya.
Sharanya is the correct
that's a killer
answer.
line.
But a great line.
बताओ थोड़ा सा.
So funny.
Thank you.
थोड़ा सा explain.
This was back when I got my license. मैं 20 साल की हूँ, but मुझे डर लगता था ड्राइविंग से, तो 18 होने के बाद भी I didn't learn how to drive. So this year I did. I finally got my license somehow. And then my dad said, बस. तो उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं यार, अभी तेरी प्रैक्टिस उतनी अच्छी नहीं हुई है तो नहीं सीख सकते. एंड आई वाज लाइक ब्रो, प्रैक्टिस मतलब ऐसे ऐसे तो नहीं हो, अभी गाड़ी तो चाहिए ना. तो every time I ask him for the car, he says, no, I don't trust you with it. But the government does because they gave me a license. But yeah, वही घर घर की
I love how
कहानी.
Gen Z's called their papa bro, yaar. Love it.
Gen Z
Love it. No. Not.
Okay, girls, there is this perception and conception, right? Girls are bad drivers.
It's true
Women are bad.
about me.
I'm not a bad driver. I'm a fattu driver. Like if I see another vehicle in front of me, I'll do this. So you know what? Fair enough. He doesn't trust me with the car. But I don't think all women are bad drivers. It's not like a gender specific thing. I've seen men drive like they have 7 lives. So I don't really think
That's
bad
true.
drivers are bad drivers. Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay, Shrishti, let's come to you. What do you have on your chit?
And it's very like, maybe Gandhiji said this.
We've not been brought up to believe that being funny is one of the traits we must possess. This Malika, you said this?
Why is it? एक ही लाइन में क्रैक कर दिया तुमने.
इतनी इंटेलिजेंस और कहाँ से आएगी?
Profound, concise,
बोलते ही मतलब मेरे
cutting.
तो थूक की भी IQ है.
Malika, please explain.
Yeah, it's true. When you were growing up, हम लोग जब फिल्में देखते थे तो फर्स्टली मेरा ग्रोइंग अप और इस ऑडियंस का ग्रोइंग अप में बहुत सालों का अंतर है.
तब गांधी जी जिंदा थे.
यस डेफिनेटली. एंड तो तब हमेशा यही होता था ना कि एक शर्माना सबसे बड़ा एट्रीब्यूट होता है लड़की में. वो कैसे शर्माती है, कितनी खूबसूरती से शर्माती है. लाइक बीइंग फनी वाज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक something's wrong with this person. Yes, something is, but let's monetize it. So I think we were never encouraged that a trait like this is amazing. It's the best thing because God knows to be a woman, you need a sense of humor. Like, and how? So yeah.
Word.
बात सही है भाई.
What a line, love it.
वाकई आपका थूक कभी आई ट्रू.
आपको तो पता ही है मेरा.
Gurleen,
आप लोगों ने इतना खराब शफल किया है. मुझे घर से विरासत में मिली भी सिर्फ शक और घबराहट ही है.
ये
मैं नहीं लिखी है. मैं नहीं लिखी है.
तो you are the best person to explain.
Yes, from where it comes, I'll explain that.
हाँ.
My parents, like growing up, we were obviously, you know, very much like कि मम्मी पापा जो बोलते हैं सही बोलते हैं, हम बहुत ऐसे फॉलो करते हैं. जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते गए, हमें एकदम से रियलाइज होता गया कि यार ये तो बड़े एंशियस किस्म के लोग हैं, इतना तो नहीं घबराना होता जितना घबराते रहते हैं. तो फिर उसके बाद हमें रियलाइज होने लगा कि अच्छा ठीक है, इनकी सारी बातें भी नहीं माननी है, ज़्यादा ही घबरा रहे हैं. जैसे माई पेरेंट्स हैव दिस, बाहर जा रहे हैं तो दे बी लाइक वेरी पैनिकी कि ओ ये नहीं वो नहीं, ऐसे कर लो वैसे कर लो, कोई कुछ नहीं हो रहा होगा वहाँ पे, है ना. 6 कुंडियाँ लगाई हुई हैं घर पे, कोई नहीं आ रहा. सीसीटीवी के लिए सीसीटीवी लगा देंगे, कोई कुछ इतना नहीं हो रहा. उनको ऐसा लगता है सारी दुनिया की गलत चीज़ें हमारे परिवार में ही होने वाली हैं. बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. सो आई थिंक वहाँ से निकला था. इट्स लाइक, एंड मेरे अंदर भी बहुत ऐसे फिर एंजाइटी और फियर आ गया है. तो मुझे अब रियलाइज हुआ जब मैं अकेले रहती हूँ, मैं भी लगाती हूँ 6 कुंडियाँ.
Thank you. Malika.
जितनी बार मेरा दिल टूटा है उतनी बार मेरा करियर आगे बढ़ा है. प्रशस्ति सिंह.
He's not even seen the video.
I'm such a loyal audience.
या उसको मेरी पर्सनैलिटी पता है. बट द ट्रूथ इज कि जैसे वो रील्स वगैरह में बोलते भी है ना कि लिटरली एवरी टाइम आई हैड अ मेजर हार्ट ब्रेक, तो यू नो मैं पूरा कोलैप्स करके मैंने लाइफ पूरी रीबिल्ड करी है. सब कुछ अच्छा ही होते चला गया है, स्किन विन बेटर हो गई है, हाँ बाल घने हो गए. Okay. मैं ट्राई भी नहीं कर रही. इट्स जस्ट कि यू नो कि सम everything else works out, this doesn't work out. Okay, as in, and I'm like as if कि भगवान यही मेरा पाथ डिफाइन कर रहे हैं कि तुम दिल तुड़वा के ही चलते रहो आगे. Okay, and you will reach wherever you have to reach. Guys, इतना sad नहीं है जैसे. I think also the more profound way of looking at this कि collapsing is great. Like when you collapse, you have a chance to like leave behind whatever was sad or bad about you and move forward. So that is where it comes from.
कोई एंड डेट होती है इस कोलैप्स फेज?
नहीं, मुझे तो लग रहा है कि मतलब
Rebuild का
यही
कोई-
है. हाँ, collapsing is the truth of life.
It's like मुंबई की खुदाई ये.
ये नहीं खत्म
चले
होने
ही
वाला
जा
है.
रहे हैं, चले ही जा रहे हैं.
Thank you, Prashasti. Vagmita, let's come to you.
भाई चल क्या रहा है अरेंज मैरिज मार्केट में.
Wonder who said that.
No points for guessing. This is Vagmita's very popular. ये तो मस्त शफल हो गया. तो क्या चल रहा है अरेंज मैरिज मार्केट में?
काफी कुछ चल रहा है यार. मेरे काफी सारे कजन्स और फ्रेंड्स हैं who are in the arranged marriage market, so I constantly keep getting stories and I'm like ये this is too good to just keep within me. I should get some brand deals out of it. So that was it.
You want to share something very short, small, interesting with us?
I had this relative, वो लड़का देखने गई और लड़के के और लड़की के बीच में लड़के की बहन आके बैठ गई. तो obviously they couldn't talk, and then after that when they tried to exchange numbers they didn't give the guy's number. तो they thought कि अच्छा मे बी मतलब शर्मसार है लड़का, ठीक है. तो 1 महीने हो गए, 2 महीने हो गए, तो they were like कि आप नंबर क्यों शेयर नहीं कर रहे? नहीं एक्चुअली हम बिलीव नहीं करते शादी से पहले नंबर शेयर करने का, क्योंकि लड़का लड़की ना लड़ लेते हैं ऐसे आपस में, इसलिए. तो मैंने कहा अच्छा शादी के बाद तो कैरम खेलेंगे बैठ के दोनों. So yeah, that was called off after that, but that is bizarre.
Okay, Sharanya.
I started combing my hair when I moved to a co-ed school in 11th, 12th. Before that, I wouldn't.
Yeah, Karima.
Karima.
Yeah, this much English I can only expect from Karima.
I was in a girls' school till class 10, and then I moved to a co-ed school, and they were not like snapping your bra straps or like they were not yelling, "मुझे period हो गया है, pad है किसी के पास." And then there were boys, and we were not allowed to. I had never interacted with a man until class 11. So when I first saw, like, there was no, like, they were not even, like, the sweeper was the closest person we knew. Who was the
Sweeper and PT sir.
Yeah.
I saw a man and I was like, let me.
Thank you so much.
I think
Thank
one
you.
is left. This,
अच्छा, oh हाँ, अरे. Of course.
हमें पता है किसका ये.
Of course पता है.
ठीक है, मैं बड़ी बुलाई जा सकने वाली औरत ही हूँ. बुला दो. आगे ही बढ़
मुझे
जाओ
चिट
मुझसे.
पकड़ते ही पता था. मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, पूरा बचपन बोलते रहे लड़कों से ज्यादा बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है. कैसे बताऊँ कि अब लड़के ही मुझसे बात करना जरूरी नहीं समझते. You know who it is?
There is no need anymore. हाँ, ये तो ये तो सभी का एक्सपीरियंस यही है कि द होल टाइम यू आर ग्रोइंग अप योर
Yeah.
पेरेंट्स आर सो about you interacting with the other gender, and then the second you are a marriageable age they're like कोई है फिर कोई है कोई होने देते तो होता कोई होने ही नहीं दिया किसी का तो नंबर नहीं शेयर कर सकते किसी को घर नहीं आने दे सकते किसी के यहाँ नहीं जा सकते किसी की yeah so I felt that double standard very early on and I'm like अब नहीं हो सकता कुछ मेरे पास अब स्किल सेट है ही नहीं आदमियों से बात करने का मैं अब गंदे तरीके से बात करती हूँ सबसे so they also don't want to talk to me fair enough तो ये हो गया है but ठीक है
Thank you so much, everybody. I think this was fun. I'm going to move on to a bit about the good girl conditioning. So tell me, क्या वो कभी pressure आया है to be a good girl?
I think nobody's parents are like, आज से तू बनेगी baddie. Everybody wants.
बाकी सब गुड बन रही है, तू बैड बन के दिखाएगी।
Yeah. Bad
ये
girl
ले
बन
काला
जा।
जैकेट ले ले गुरलीन।
कल मुझे सुट्टा फूकती नहीं दिखी तू।
कांटे वाले जूते लाके दे रहे हैं
There's
घर में।
always been like a okay, don't be a girl who's a pushover, but हाँ कि संस्कार ये वो अभी भी जैसे मेरी मम्मी मेरे सारे रील्स देखते हैं जहाँ वीडियोस देखते हैं, they're always like के एक भी उल्टी सीधी बात हल्का सा भी हिंट टुवर्ड्स बैड वर्ड तो मुझे फोन आ जाता है कि ये सब क्या है, मतलब ये सब क्यों बोल रहे हो, तो वो तो अभी तक मॉनिटरिंग चलती रहती है.
आई थिंक मैं तो लाइफ टाइम पूरा आई हैव बीन हाउ डू पुट इट कि गुड गर्ल कंडीशनिंग मेरा अभी तक मुझे जाने में बहुत, जब मैं वीडियो भी एडिट कर रही हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि ये थोड़ा सा ठीक कर दूं क्या, मेरा घर वाले देखेंगे. एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट इट. मेरी मम्मी, माय मदर यूज्ड टू वर्क इन अ डिफरेंट सिटी, तो मेरी मम्मी ना व्हेन आई वाज अ टीनेजर हैड टोल्ड मी कि this was my version of being there for my mother. My mother told me कि मैं काम करने जाती हूँ तो कोई आंटी को ये नहीं बोलने का मौका मिलना चाहिए दैट लड़की हाथ से निकल गई ये वो. तो आई टुक इट एज अ गेम कि कोई आंटी जरा मुंह खोल के दिखाए मेरे आगे ऐसा के. तो मैं वो लहंगे टाइप का स्कर्ट पहन के तेल वेल लगा के कि मैं कहा कि तुम आंटी तुम देखो तुम्हारे गेम में मैं तुमको जीत के दिखाती हूँ. But it really, it just stayed inside me for like years after that. कि कोई मेरे घर वालों को बोलने ना पाए कि आप इसकी वजह से आपकी नाक कट रही है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
ये तो नाक, ये
Yes,
नाक
yes.
का क्या है ये
यही
नाक?
ना क्या, मेरा तो गुड गर्ल फेस शुरू ही नहीं हो रहा है. मतलब इतने साल हो गए मुझे इस प्लेनेट पे और सब परेशान है. माता पिता, सिबलिंग, स्कूल, ट्यूटर, जिम इंस्ट्रक्टर, मैनेजर, मतलब
करते क्या थे आप ऐसा?
मैं पता नहीं, मुझे ना वो आप बैल मुझे मार वाला वो है मुझे, कि अगर मुझे लग रहा है कि ये इंसान मुझसे डिसअपॉइंट हो सकता है
अभी
करके देखा.
अभी कर
याद रखे ये, मतलब
That's very
I don't know
nice.
कहाँ से आया. मे बी इट्स अ यंगर सिबलिंग थिंग. हम पैदा ही मतलब
Oh, that's
बदतमीज और
also
entitled
different.
होते हैं.
बट एक अंदर मॉरल मीटर नहीं जाता. मैं कुछ भी ऐसे उल्ट कर लूँ ना, उसके बाद जो गिल्ट होगा कि अरे यार क्या कर लिया, ये नहीं करना चाहिए था.
Correct,
ऐसे
correct.
रहता है अंदर.
Yeah. Shrishti, you were
I
saying.
think the good girl conditioning has manifested in me, at least in the sense that now I have a double life. I am a different person with my parents to this day. I'm not entirely what I think I am in my essence in front of them, but I lie so easily all the time.
Same girl.
I'm a pro at lying, and it unsettles me sometimes. But now at this age, I'm getting to a place now with my parents where my parents are becoming like my children, and like I'm like मैं तुमसे डर रही थी अभी तक, ये क्या हो रहा है. मतलब मेरी माँ मेरी बेटी बन चुकी हैं, उनको मैं समझाते रहती हूँ कि ये मत करो, इनसे वो बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इनका तो फोन ही मत उठाया करो. like it full that reversal has happened. So yeah, like I guess a lot of people go through this whole thing of hiding who they really are, and then now I'm like, fuck, I should have just been what I was the whole time, and like it could have saved us a lot of time. Yeah.
Sharanya, I want to know, because we're all, I think we've had few years more than you on the
हम
planet.
बुढ़े हैं basically. You say.
You like the...
I think more than like the parental aspect of it, मुझे ना दोस्तों से आता था ये कि when I was back in 8th standard or 7th standard, there was like a type of girls and everyone wanted to be like that because fit in होना है ना. मैं बहुत लाउड थी बचपन से, ना ऐसे बैठना, ये करना, वो करना. तो मुझे ना लोग आके बोलते थे, listen, if you're like this, no guy will like you. And back in 8th standard, that's all you want, by the way. I'm just letting you know कि यार shit, like my crush doesn't like me back because I'm too loud. So for the longest time I was like trying to, you know, bring it down and just be a little more okay. But as you grow up you realize no one actually cares, bro. Like it's fine, it doesn't really matter. एंड मतलब अभी एक टाइम था जब मुझको मतलब टीचर्स मेरे हर रिपोर्ट कार्ड में लिख के आता था टॉक्स टू मच. अभी तो मुझे लोग कमेंट करके बोलते हैं आप बात करते रहो ना, अच्छा लगता है. तो यू विल ऑलवेज फाइंड योर ऑडियंस. मतलब बोलते रहो यार, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, जो लाइफ में करना है करो, जस्ट डोंट हर्ट एनीवन.
Okay, this is true for me. आप लोग मुझे बताओ. Have we all somehow unlearned I'm not like other girls?
I want to be like other girls.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to be like
I
other
mean, amalgamation of all the Battameez women in my life. I think.
Especially the older women जो हम बड़े होके, like when we were growing up, a woman who did not have children or who chose not to be married was looked at like the ultimate failure. And now you realize, wow, ये तो goals है भाई. मतलब no shade to anyone, but it's so wonderful that now you can pretty much be whoever you want to be. And मतलब गालियाँ हैं कोई बात नहीं, बैंक बैलेंस भी होना चाहिए. So I think I'm not like other girls was such a thing, especially in co-ed schools. And it came from boys a lot. You're not like other girls.
That's what I heard a lot back when I was in school. And back when you were in the 8th standard, that used to be a massive compliment for you. मुझे लगा, oh my god, मेरे को different बोल दिया. अभी ना, the moment a guy says that to you, you know you're not supposed to talk to them anymore.
Yeah. It's a block.
Like अरे भाई, फिर वही घिसा पिटा डायलॉग.
उसको बोलने का मतलब you are like every other.
I think but workplace से ही बहुत. I'm thinking चाहे आप टेक में काम कर रहे हो, चाहे business में काम कर रहे हो, or even in our industry, even there any male dominated industry you enter, and I think the first set of compliments you get is, oh तुम बाकी जैसी नहीं हो, you're so easy to work with, or you were so much fun. And of course when you were young you probably are just hunting for some validation. You're like, okay, maybe okay, I am more like them. But that, I mean, the serious unlearning that you have to do on that front कि भाई ये कोई तरीका है काम करने का. Like,
I think what she said makes sense, that you are easy to work with also comes from all the positive qualities are always associated with you not being girly. Like you're easy, or you're chill, or you don't put makeup, you don't take so much time to get ready, whatever.
You can take a joke.
Yeah, you can take
I
a
think
joke.
it's
So
a shitty
true.
joke. Basically, they I think trying to say that you're a pushover.
or you're convenient, you don't create drama.
You make my life easy and so
बन के रह
are.
सकती हो
कि तुम तो हमारे साथ आओ hang करो.
Blend हो जाओगी.
But I think the system is only rigged against women, because if a man is assertive, he's assertive. But if a woman is assertive, she's bossy. तो हम कभी जीत ही नहीं सकते उस system के साथ में.
Correct.
So if you want to be a leader, you have to be a bitch.
Has there ever been a point where you have felt like, oh no, I'm being a bad girl now, और मैं ये नहीं कर सकती हूँ यार, वरना लोग
वो तो
सोचेंगे कि
मुझे
मैं
cleavage दिखा के भी बोला था.
कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकती हूँ, वरना लोग सोचेंगे कि मैं गंदी लड़की हूँ.
यार मेरी मम्मी हमेशा बोलती थी कि दुनिया में अपना पाँव जमाना है तो थोड़ा बदतमीज बनना पड़ेगा. My mom has told me that as I have grown up. मैंने आधी मारवाड़ी गालियाँ अपनी दादी से सीखी हैं. All the women in my family are chaotic and loud, so I can't even just like my dada used to call me Fateh Singh. You know, he was someone he was a journalist for a women's magazine in the 60s or 50s. So this is the family I've grown up in. तो कोई सवाल ही नहीं है कि मुझे कोई बोल दे कि तुम बदतमीज हो. Being बदतमीज is celebrated in my family.
If I can add, I think it's a similar experience. Shrishti actually recently met my parents, and she was like, you don't live this double life that most Indian women have to live. And I think like you were saying, Battamiz was celebrated. I think softness was also celebrated in my family, and it was considered strong. Like my mother is a soft person, but she was still independent, and she was saying what she didn't like. Not always, but like then I turned out to be so like, whatever. And my sister was the quietest person ever. But we were both considered like we were both told that both of these are feminine qualities. And as long as you're not fucking people over, it's fine. Like, but even if you are, you know.
In my younger years, I made all the mistakes. Like I think I've been a pick me at some point.
अरे
I've been,
भाई बड़ा मसला था भाई, कितनी घनघोर पिक मी थी मैं.
Oh really?
I'm so I cringe at my own. Like I get a memory. I'm lying in bed. I get a memory of something I've done in like ninth
Like,
grade. I'm like,
what's the most pick me thing you've done?
मतलब काजल लगा के आ गई क्योंकि उसने किसी और लड़की को बोला था कि तुम्हारी आंखों में काजल अच्छा लगता है. मेरी में तो लगता
that's
भी
not
नहीं.
very pick me. I'll tell you what I've done. No. No.
आगे आ जाओ.
See. I'll tell you. No. I feel so bad admitting this, but I would just like to say I'm not this person anymore. I absolutely hate this line now, or like when like a girl comes up to me and says, bro, I only have male friends because girls are too much drama. I was that girl. I have said this to
I
people.
said that.
I do a character called a girl, like a boy, your boyfriend's girl best friend, and she's basically a pick me girl. And I think I've said most of those things. कि मैं तो makeup नहीं लगाती हूँ because I'm so like chill about things, and I don't like to hang out with
You're so
girls.
much prettier in person.
Yeah, your outfit is so interesting.
Shrishti's like just pulled all her hair back. She's like, let it go out of my head.
मैं vomit कर सकती हूँ अभी यहाँ पे.
मुझे तो खराब ही लग रहा है कि मेरे पास इतने लड़के भी नहीं थे, पर वही मैं तो आंटी लोग के सामने पिक मी हो रही थी कि मैं इससे बेटर आंटी देखिए. हाँ, मैं तेल ज्यादा लगाया है, मेरा स्कर्ट भी लंबा है, मैंने कोट ही पहना है अपने शर्ट के
बट
ऊपर.
टीचर्स के साथ तो सबसे ज्यादा पिक मी बिहेवियर होता था ना कि these girls are the sluts.
yes.
These girls are the ones जो आगे जाएंगी, इनके
Yes.
हाथ पीले होंगे.
And I was the one girl जो ऐसे था कि टॉपर है वो, ये तो बहुत आगे जाएगी. भाई मेरे ही नहीं हुए हाथ पीले, बाकियों के हो गए.
Let's move on to another segment because हम girlhood के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. तो you know, एक बहुत जो important aspect होता है of growing up as a girl or a girlhood is periods of course. And लोग थोड़े uncomfortable हो जाते हैं जब हम periods के बारे में बात करते हैं. जैसे अभी देखो सब थोड़ा सा ऐसे ना ऐसे से हो गए हैं.
कि उनके
like
periods
day
आए
two.
हुए हैं.
वो अपना पैड एडजस्ट कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. वो अनकंफर्टेबल क्योंकि पैड पहना है इसलिए.
मलिका is like मैं तो बन के भी period.
Day two. This was day two. Sorry, नहीं सुनना तो.
Okay, so this is a segment called the Zero Irritation segment by Noah. First period के बारे में बात करते हैं because I think that's been a crazy experience. So if you have anything fun, did you freak out? Do you remember anything about your first period? How was it? Please बताओ.
पैड में एक सॉफ्ट है पार्ट होता है और एक पार्ट होता है जो चिपकता है आपकी अंडरवेयर में. मैंने चिपकने वाला पार्ट अपने ऊपर.
I don't think we can beat this story. I'm sorry. This podcast has peaked, I think.
और फिर मैं ऐसे आई हूँ.
पता है कि लोग
Just before bikini wax.
मम्मी ऐसा ही लगता है क्या? Because I was not like I don't know. I was dumb. I was obviously a stupid person. And I chiloed the peel. And I'm like, of course. ये तो यहाँ क्योंकि ये stay कैसे करेगा? तो ऐसे ही रुकेगा ना?
Leakage तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा.
दिमाग लीक हो चुका है मेरा. Yeah, that was my first period, and it's such a distinct memory. It's too funny.
मेरे पास भी मतलब इतना तो नहीं किया था मैंने. पर जो एक विंग्स वाला होता है तो मुझे पता नहीं था ये क्या है. मुझे लगा ये टैग वैग है तो मैंने कहा ये सब क्या है एक्स्ट्रा चीजें.
I had a very nerdy like experience of periods because my mom was a doctor and one day randomly out of the blue कुछ अटपटी बातें करने लग गई. वो एक ना लाइनिंग होती है म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन. मैंने कहा व्हाट आर यू सेइंग बेब्स, आई एम ह्यूमैनिटीज. तो मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया. I'm like what is she saying? And then that conversation ended and nothing happened. And then maybe a few months later, I was like, what the hell, mummy? And she came and she's like, oh, acha. She's like, don't worry, it's a very good thing and all. And I'm like, whatever. And I just remember that every time I cried in school in pain and I tried to call my mother कि मुझे घर जाना है. She's like, नहीं, घर नहीं जाना है. It's fine. School में रहो. And I'm grateful for that lesson because फिर मैं और भी वेली हो जाती ना देन आई ऑलरेडी एम.
जब घर वाले फेमिनिस्ट को बहुत दुख होता है. माय डैड यूज्ड टू बी लाइक पीटी उषा भागती थी अपने पीरियड से. मैंने कहा मैं नहीं हूँ पीटी उषा.
शी इज लाइक मैं भागना है. स्कूल में रहो, स्कूल में छुट्टी नहीं लेनी है.
Karima, you were saying something.
It was my mother was like, I was obviously suffering. We had just gone to buy a car. I thought I'm wearing a diaper. I didn't know what was going on. Then at night, obviously, I was in pain, and my mother was like, ये बहुत ही lucky बात है क्योंकि फिर तुम्हारे बच्चे हो सकते हैं. And I was like,
Such a bummer. एक तो मेरा मैं वैसे ही मूड खराब चल रहा है. ये कोई बताने वाली बात है इस समय.
I mean, I grew up to not, I don't think I want children or anything. So now I'm like, why am I going through this? Like, in my head, the only purpose of a period is to have a child later. So that was not very fun. But I was around a lot of men that were very cool about it. Like my father he used to remember, hum 3 औरतें घर पे and 1 father. So he was very like, he used to remember our date, and he would buy the pads in Food Bazaar on Kamak Street, and he would be very open to it. And back then it wasn't like that cool. Then my first boyfriend would like change my pad for me.
Excuse?
Can you explain what you mean by this?
What did that look like?
You can look at Malika and paint the picture.
Can you hesitate?
No, it was really sweet. Like it was, like I was like,
और उसने भी उल्टा नहीं लगाया ना सृष्टि की तरह.
उससे भी आता था, बताओ.
ये
wings भी नहीं
ये
काटे.
सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करता है अपनी और लोग को भी. मुझे चाहिए इसकी सर्विसेज.
Man, that's so cool. I was on the other side of the spectrum क्योंकि हमारे घर में जैसे अगर किसी मर्द को पैड लाना पड़ गया है तो वैसा है जैसे स्मगलिंग हो रही है. न्यूज़पेपर में डाल के ऐसे डाने ये पीछे से हाथ पकड़ा के और फिर मम्मी अंदर जाओ. It was very secretive.
I had a very sad origin story about periods because we had a family dog and she was a female, okay? So she would get her periods and I didn't know what it was at that time. I was too young. And one day I saw that I didn't know it was called periods, but she got her period and 2-3 days later she died.
What?
So few months later when I got my period, I was like, ये मेरे अंतिम घड़ी है मेरी इस दुनिया में मैं जमुना पार होने वाली हूँ इसके बाद. और फिर पीरियड एड्स में दिखाते थे ब्लू. मैंने कहा मेरा तो रेड है. Is this normal? Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it was, and I kept it to myself for 3 days. I don't know. I was like, ये किसी को बात पता नहीं चलनी चाहिए. मेरे माँ बाप ये दुख झेल नहीं पाएंगे. Yeah.
That's so heartbreaking, yeah.
That's how little education we got around it in real time about
Not Karima.
Karima not.
I think also generational difference. And in my case again, my mother kept delaying the conversation. Kira ki, I think वो मैंने उनसे inherit भी किया है कि I also can't have tough conversations, so I can now understand. But उनको लगा कि अभी कर दूंगी. So thankfully one of my friends got a period and she educated me. So when I got my period, my mother again was not at home. Okay, she was working in a different city. So वो 2 दिन बाद वापस आई and then she saw कि अब time आ गया बताने का. तो my mother is educated. मैंने कहा cut it out. अब मुझे पता चल गया है. Okay, and my mother was very sad कि oh shit, this opportunity is lost. But I was very relieved कि oh इनसे तो नहीं सुनना पड़ा. I mean, I found it weird to talk to my mother also about it. So I'm very glad कि अब we're talking on stage about periods because तब तो वो imagine भी करने लायक नहीं था.
And you know, while talking, I'm thinking कि मेरे माँ बाप देखने वाले हैं.
But have you guys had to make any compromise on comfort when it comes to periods? Because कितना stigma था.
Avoiding wearing white.
yeah.
Literally. I
चम्स
think.
बुलाना उसको या फिर मुझे हो गया है. I think just not even saying the
One second.
not
My
saying
mom-
the word was
आंटी जी आ गई
weird.
हैं.
My mom used to say मेरी छुट्टी हो गई है.
मैं डाउन हो गई हूँ. दिल्ली वाले कहते हैं ना डाउन हो गई. What is down हो
पी हो गया. पी भी कुछ लोग बोलते थे.
ब्रेड जैम भी बोलते थे. भाई बड़ा डिस्गस्टिंग माहौल से आई हूँ. आप लोग नहीं समझ
हम
पाएंगे.
सीख रहे हैं आज.
I remember जब मैं नौकरी करती थी ना, I had to travel for work to like ऐसे पंजाब में across 4 cities travel करना है. Then I used to find it like very inconvenient कि अगर तुम्हें ढाबों पे रुकना है या public washroom use करना है, like oh shit, ये हमारी लाइफ फिर भी बहुत कन्वीनियंट है ना, जब हम यहाँ बड़े ऑफिस में बैठते हैं, ढंग का वॉशरूम यूज करते हैं. इफ आई हैव टू ट्रैवल फॉर वर्क, देन दिस infra is still not built to support women who are, you know, on their periods and, you know, working across these cities. So I was very pained.
So from this, I want to open this to a broader conversation about just in general ki because I think all of us are at this phase that we are unlearning, right? Where we're like कि ये सारी चीजें discard कर सकते हैं हम thoughts. So what is something that you are not willing to compromise on anymore when it comes to life in general? कि यार अब नहीं हो पाएगा ये, बस हो गया बहुत.
I think the need, not like I was ever compromising on it, but I think I've stopped fighting the need to be liked and understood. Now I'm just like कि भाई देखो अपने 4-5 लोग हैं करीबी, तुमको जमता है नहीं. And you know this term of difficult woman, I had a very tough time in my career at first because I just came out of nowhere. And I was like, yeah, alright, shut up. And all. And I used to be called difficult, and I still am to date. But now I've started to dissect it, and I'm like, what is difficult? You're not making someone else's life easier. Sure, you should, when possible, but not at the cost of your dignity, your respect, all of that. So I think this shame associated with being called a difficult woman, I have 95% unlearned, and I wear it like a badge of honor.
Love it.
I तो just respect of being a human being and not being like if you're treating me like कि ठीक है ये लड़की है तो थोड़ा हम ऊपर नीचे कर लेते हैं जो भी है ना कि मैम ये वो सब अब बिल्कुल नहीं. मैंने भी जब कॉमेडी मतलब ये तो आप मेरे से ज़्यादा रिलेट करेंगे, स्टैंड अप इज़ वेरी मेल डोमिनेटेड. अभी तो बहुत लड़कियाँ आ गई हैं स्टैंड अप में, बट जब मैंने नया नया शुरू करा था आई वॉज वेरी यंग एंड आई गॉट लाइक ना एकदम से मेरे आसपास लोग आ गए, मैनेजमेंट ये वो प्रोडक्शन ये वो. सो एंड दे वर ऑल एल्डर टू मी एंड they were all mostly men. So एक वो ट्रीट करा जाता था कि हम बता देते हैं, हम गाइड कर देते हैं ना, तो और आप यंग एज में हो तो आपको पता भी नहीं होता तो आप सुन भी लेते हो. एंड देन लेटर आई रियलाइज कि अरे मैं मतलब इसको मैंने रखा हुआ है काम करने के लिए. तो मैंने कहा फिर मैं वही कि अब मैं थोड़ा वैसे कि नहीं, आप मुझे एक आर्टिस्ट एक इक्वल की तरह ट्रीट करोगे. मेरा जेंडर मेरी एज वो हम बाद में देखेंगे, वो मेरी अपनी पर्सनल वो है ना कि मैं कब मेच्योर क्या मैं इमेच्योर डिसीजन लेने दो, बट वो ट्रीटमेंट वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि नहीं है वैसा वाला. तो वो आई थिंक बंद कर दिया था मैंने.
I feel blessed enough that I've not been faced with something that कि oh my god मैं दोराहे पे आके खड़ी हो गई हूँ, अब मैं क्या मैं अपने सिद्धांतों को जाने दूँ या मैं like I've not found myself in that place.
Yeah.
But I guess disrespect is something that I would just not stand for personally anymore. And मेरी होती भी नहीं है उतनी. Except मेरे घर में बहुत होती है मेरी, लेकिन मेरे घर में बड़ी बेइज्जती होती है.
Pick me.
I'm such a
disrespect
तुम
नहीं
लोग की
होती
होती थी
है.
बेइज्जतियाँ.
Disrespect? I've never faced.
I've never, I mean मेरी होती होगी लेकिन मैं इतनी smart नहीं होगी मैं उसको समझ पाऊँ as disrespect, I guess. But I guess yeah, just being belittled in any room is not something I would stand for, because why? Why
Not
should
been
anyone?
given a
Yeah.
fair chance also.
Yeah.
पहले ही वो प्रीकंसीव्ड नोशन लगा देना कि ये तो ऐसे ही होगा, हम ये कर लेते हैं.
I
वो
think
बहुत
recently I kind of noticed this, and respect is something I don't want to compromise on, because oftentimes when you just start out you're relatively young. Like I'm 20 right now, so most rooms I walk into I'm the youngest person there, so they think अरे 20 साल के क्या ही मालूम होगा. You know, like it's not about someone working for you or whatever. When you're working with someone, you sort of expect that, like, I'm not going to treat someone badly. I don't expect the same, right? Like, you have to treat me with some amount of respect. Just because I'm younger doesn't mean मैं कुछ भी सुन के ले लूँगी. So I think that is something I've realized of late, that oh, just because someone saying अरे बच्चे मैं समझा रही हूँ ना, सुनो मुझको, like doesn't mean you're always right. I also have a mind of my own. I know what is right and wrong. So I think that is something I don't want to compromise on anymore. Not that I'll be rude to them and be like, "Arey chup bhai," but just be like, "Hey, I don't think that's right." So I think it's important. Like no matter what age you are, just have thoda voice of your own. It's fine. People will listen to you sometimes.
Yeah, I was thinking, I think for me, most recently I've noticed that जब से मैं आई थिंक पब्लिक फेसिंग बिजनेस में या कंटेंट क्रिएशन बिजनेस में यू कम, आई हैड दिस आइडिया कि सबके लिए सब अपना ट्रूथ जो है थोड़ा मोल्ड करना होता है फॉर इट टू बी पैलेटेबल टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, राइट? दिस होल इंडस्ट्री रन्स ऑन बीइंग रिलेटेबल, बीइंग कि अगर मैं यूपी से आई हूँ तो अगर मार्केट बहुत बड़ा है कि मैं यूपी एक्सेंट में ही बात करूँ तो आई विल कीप डूइंग दैट, और आई एम टोल्ड टू कीप डूइंग दैट बिकॉज दैट इज सपोज टू बी यू नो द मोस्ट रिलेटेबल थिंग यू डू. या फिर अगर मैं रिलेशनशिप की बात करी हूँ तो एक सर्टन तरीके से दिस बॉय गर्ल डायनामिक्स की बात करूँ बिकॉज दैट इज द बिगेस्ट मार्केट. आई थिंक वेरी recently I've come to own my truth in the sense that you know what, I will go show up my hand से कि मैं tangentially ऐसे हूँ, मैं थोड़ा शायद टेढ़े हूँ, और इस आबादी में जितने भी लोग हैं जो उतना टेढ़े से रिलेट कर पाते हैं वही मेरे ऑडियंस होंगे, and I'm good with that. Instead of trying to mold myself again to be someone I'm like 100% not. So that has come to me now in life after you know multiple disciplines, multiple careers. I think truth is very important and that should not be compromised, at least in how I'm being and presenting myself.
Yeah, I agree to that because I think I don't want to compromise on my happiness, my mental health, and my individuality. These three things I've realized that these are the things keeping me alive. तो at one point I've been told कि अरे ये सारे creators ये zone ले रहे हैं, you do that. In the influencer field especially, like a male manager will tell you, they'll have a lot to tell you a lot of times कि ऐसा दिखना चाहिए, ऐसा बोलना चाहिए, ऐसा करना चाहिए क्योंकि दूसरे लोग ऐसे कर रहे हैं, it's working for them, and any time I have done that has not worked for me. So I think retaining my individuality is number one, and keeping my mental health steady and my happiness above everything else is number one, because if I'm not happy, it's going to show in my work. So yeah.
Karima, lastly.
One thing I won't do anymore is shrinking myself. I mean, I think as girls, we are constantly making ourselves smaller, making our voices softer, making our opinions more palatable. Like, oh, can you tell me if you're free today or if you're available, if you're okay with that, if I feel like this is something that we should do, let me know your opinion on it. Mera project hai, main late jati hu, I become a carpet and I'm like, why am I adding these like suffixes to these phrases? Why am I behaving like that when it's my own property that I'm talking about? And I'm already 5 feet tall, so I don't know where I'm shrinking myself further. I've just started very consciously, and it's still very tough, but I've started talking more sternly, which I'm still not comfortable with, and I think I hope to get to where Malika said she is at.
We all aspire. I'm
मैं
very
बदतमीज होना
Yes.
जहाँ जहाँ से आपने शुरुआत की है वहाँ तक हम पहुँचना चाह रहे हैं.
But yeah, I hope I can keep making myself bigger instead of shrinking.
Wow, love that. Love that thought. Thank you so much, girls. Okay, now we're gonna do a fun rapid fire. Okay, it's called best way, worst way. What, according to you, is the best way, worst way to break up with someone?
voice note.
Best way ki
best or
worst? Both? Both?
Best भी है worst तो.
Depends on the tone, yeah.
My ex had already installed Tinder. मतलब उसने मुझे दिखाई दिया कि ये मैं कर रहा हूँ. Just saying.
Ouch.
That's how I found out that he was no longer into me.
Distancing yourself without ever having a conversation. You've
That's the
broken up
worst
when you've started ghosting or not talking as much. I
Yeah.
mean,
hooking up with a girl who has the same name as you. It happened to
I think we can't beat that.
he made out with Malika something. Yeah.
tell us the name.
अकेले में बता.
Okay, best or worst reason someone has rejected you? Anything, romantic relationship, work, gig.
तेरे
कुछ
से
भी.
डर लगता है थोड़ा.
ओ बेस्ट
मुझे
ठंड पै जाती है कोई कहता है ना कि
आप खूबसूरत
How do you
बहुत लग रहे
decide the best way someone rejects you? Like,
Best is I don't
Oh, we
deserve
can't
you.
प्यार
afford
से
you.
बता दिया.
I only
I
don't
don't. I
deserve
am the
you.
issue.
Yeah,
Worst
not
I'm
not
the
you,
issue
it's
is a fallback.
It's
the
not
reason-
you, it's me.
I don't deserve you because I'm not where I think you deserve.
Then come. Deserve me. Do something to deserve.
Okay,
हमने
maybe
तुझे
it's the
दान
worst.
कर दिया अपने.
मैं ही नहीं मैं तुम समाज के में आगे बढ़ो मैं
I
तुम्हारे
think
पीछे
worst way
खींच लूं.
ghosting भी है. Ghosting.
Correct. Malika was saying something.
Oh no, I think the best way to be rejected is when someone says we can't afford you.
Oh, that's nice.
And I thought that's a you problem.
Okay, best or worst dating app bio you've come across?
Mine only. I said in one prompt on Hinge, I was like, I'm weirdly attracted to below average guitarists. And I think I still am. I love when they can only play Wonderwall and all. Like, yeah. My legs are parted.
That one, like looking for a reason to delete this app. I'm like, I will delete your existence.
बहुत गंदा, बहुत गंदा.
If you like sunsets and like some lame, मतलब
Friends.
like कड़ी चावल sunset and whatever, we are a match.
How I Met Your Mother.
यार कड़ी चावल.
We are a couple looking for a
We are a couple looking for a
for a young
adventure.
अरे आपने नहीं पढ़ा ये?
Okay.
मेरा algorithm खराब.
Best or worst thing about dating in your 30s? This is for just like the.
Excuse me, I'm gonna keep a mic down.
I think best is that of course you know yourself better. So इसीलिए कोई पसंद ही नहीं आता फिर. I think yeah. अरे जब से मैं अपने आप को पहचाना है तब से seconds में हम लोग ये तो नहीं होगा भाई. Yeah, so you have a lot of time for yourself then. Yeah.
Correct. Okay. And the last one is the best or worst hate comment that you remember. ये तो बहुत होंगे.
किताब लिख दूँ.
In my case, I remember it's just silly. Okay, I had this one joke that you know my ex का पैकेज 4 करोड़ का था, and उसमें लोग ट्रोल कर रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं कि इस शक्ल पे 4 करोड़ का पैकेज किसको मिलेगा, 4 करोड़ का पैकेज वाला बॉयफ्रेंड किसको मिलेगा, and people who are trying to defend me are like personality भी कोई चीज होती है. I went through like कोई तो बोल दे कि शक्ल इतनी खराब नहीं है, सब कह रहे हैं तुझे पता कितनी पढ़ाई की है उसने, पर्सनैलिटी भी कोई चीज होती है, उसका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर भी अच्छा है. मैंने कहा भैया कोई शक्ल इतना खराब शक्ल है क्या मेरा?
The funniest hate comment I've got is चूतिया लड़की है but सुंदर है इसलिए देख लेता हूँ.
I've got the worst
I'll
one is
take it.
कि यही बात अगर पिंक बिकिनी में कर दो तो मजा आ जाए. Exactly.
What? I want to know, girls. How do you sort of like deal with this?
I bought a pink bikini then. I was like, I want to see how I look once. Maybe he's right.
तो लेना पड़ता है.
I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. So see, I'm मतलब stand-up comedy का ये सबसे नुकसान है. Serious बात हो या uncomfortable feel होने लग जाता है.
No, but just like the harassment that happens for women online, right? You're all into like on stage or online spaces. Creating, putting out your opinions, voices, and it's just gone. अभी ये थोड़ा सा बहुत next level पर जा चुका है, where there is, and also I think the hate for women is so gendered hate, right? Like they will not comment on what you've said, they will comment on how you're looking, on your body.
मुझे तो लेडी बॉय बोलते रहते हैं.
मुझे तो सिर्फ boy. अभी देखना कमेंट आएगा गुरलीन को क्यों बुलाया या ऑल गर्ल्स. अरे मुझे पता है.
But how do you guys deal? How do you like?
I
how
don't
do you
deal with it. It's not my problem to deal with. They don't know who I am personally. I will never find out who they are. It's one comment.
And I think
don't
as
have
women,
to
we all
dwell
learn
on it.
to negotiate with patriarchy. This is something I learned in my gender studies class, that being a woman in कौन हंसा भाई? फनी लग रही है क्या तुम्हें? जेंडर स्टडीज है, डिग्री है मेरे पास भाई, 3 साल गांड किसी है मैंने. Negotiating with patriarchy is when you know you can't beat the system, so you just surrender to the system. So I think as women we somewhere make jokes about कि हाँ मेरी तो reach बढ़ रही है, हाँ ठीक है I'm तो still famous, but somewhere it does pinch us and it does scare us a lot. So making fun or making jokes is a way to lighten the conversation when it's really fucking scary when someone finds out your location or finds stalks
that's
you.
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
these
That's
are really
when
scary
it gets
situations,
real, yeah,
but
yeah.
we are also privileged enough to protect ourselves. But that's the thing we do. Like being at the position we are, we have to learn to negotiate with patriarchy every day.
And you become immune to it also, na? Like as girls, you almost don't register it as something that's harassment. Every girl has been harassed, physically and mentally. So you just become like almost like you don't deal with it because you've repressed it. It's not a thing in your brain anymore that triggers you.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
I think there's phases to it. Like I don't think there's one way of reacting to this sort of behavior, because there are days when you engage with it, you fight, you retaliate, and then there is this long term effect of it, which where parts of you are silenced permanently until you probably process them and wonder मैं क्यों चुप हो गई इस बारे में, like small things, and you reason with yourself, you gaslight yourself कि नहीं यार ये गाली मैंने दी थी वीडियो में तो पढ़ना ही था, इसलिए ये हुआ, इसलिए वो हुआ. And I don't think there is one reaction. Like, I envy the people who can straight up block the noise. But it's not easy, especially if you are like, how dare you? Like, तो मेरे garden में आके मेरे plants पे मूत रहे हो, and you think I'm gonna, and you're calling it feedback. It doesn't work like that. मैं तेरा घर उजाड़ दूंगी, even though I don't know who you are. So I personally, because I've seen the internet from an earlier time, I've watched myself, like, I've left Twitter because I was like, this I cannot. Like, this is not my grammar. This is not my, I don't speak this language. And you're going to bring up my family. You're going to bring up anything you want. I was like, yahan kuch bhi creative nahi ho raha. But that is censoring. Because I'm like, I wish I didn't have to leave. I do have things to say, and I don't want to feel unsafe while saying them. And with like an Instagram or whatever, you go a bit silent. Like, if you have a slightly edgy opinion, you just start giving it on your stories.
I think as stand-up comedians, we might do some jokes in live, but I also don't have any courage to do it on, like, put that joke online, because I know what consequences it can have.
I think what she's saying, I think वही हो गया कि I really have now just started putting out the stand-up version of me on the internet, and I have really, like, I've disappeared. Like, the person I am, my personal life is not on the internet at all, because I was like, my peace of mind is non-negotiable. अगर मुझे स्टेज पे इस करियर को सस्टेन करना है 10 साल और, तो वो भी ख़त्म हो जाएगा अगर मैं रोज़ इससे डील करती रही. तो आई जस्ट पुट माई स्टैंड अप आउट, एंड आई थिंक द डिस्टेंस आई डेवलप्ड इसकी अगर फीडबैक है तो स्टैंड अप पे है, वो मेरे ऊपर नहीं है. तो मैंने अपने आप को हटा दिया है बेसिकली इंटरनेट से, विच आई डोंट नो इज अ गुड थिंग और अ बैड थिंग, बट डेफिनेटली इज समथिंग जो इस चीज़ की वजह से हुआ है.
Yeah. I just wanted to say, I feel like there are certain people who will hate on you no matter what you say. मतलब बहुत consistent fans हो या ना हो, consistent haters होता है. I think पहले बहुत बुरा लगता था. Like, when I started out, there used to be people who used to make fun of my accent, used to make fun of how I look, and I'm like, but the content I'm making has no relation to how I look. Just listen to what I'm saying. You don't like it, you move on. You like it, you leave a like. If you don't want to, that's also fine. But now I've done like I've started doing this thing where if I see a hate comment, that's straight up hate. If it's criticism, I'll think about it. If it's straight up hate, I just delete it. Like, I don't want to deal with it. I think that's the power you have when you've made the video. Just delete the comment. It's fine. No one ever has to know. It's okay.
Yeah, we have to close this, and for a closing thought, एक जो ये perception होता है that अरे यार female comedians जब बात करते हैं तो वो या तो पीरियड्स के बारे में ही बात करते हैं, या सेक्स के बारे में ही बात करते हैं, या हरासमेंट के बारे में, या फेमिनिज्म के बारे में. फीमेल कॉमेडियंस या कॉमेडी जो करती हैं औरतें, वो तो इन्हीं चीज़ों के बारे में बात करती है. सो लेट्स क्लोज विद दिस थॉट दैट व्हाट इज समथिंग अबाउट कॉमेडी, यू नो, दैट यू वुड लाइक to change in 2026?
Nothing. I just think I just really want to be more honest, and what really I want to talk about on stage, be it emotion, be it a story, be it an incident. I don't personally think कि अच्छा ये topics हैं, इस पे लड़कियों को बोला जाता है, joke funny है, तुम joke सुनो, हंसो, घर जाओ, बात खत्म.
I also feel like how comedy is perceived. I think there was a time where people were okay with a lot more, and I'm very glad people have started speaking up and saying, you know, this is not that funny. But sometimes you can take a joke money. हर चीज़ के लिए offend होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से. But there are some times where you will crack a very simple joke that you think, अरे this was meant to be satire, and there's some person in the comments saying, how can you say that? And you're like, bro, it's okay, it's not that deep. So I feel like it's not just about how we are doing comedy, it's also about how people must perceive it. If it's a joke, if it's like straight up offensive, then take offense, obviously. But if it's a joke, just sometimes calm down, laugh. It's fine. It's okay.
Yeah. For me, the perspective changes कि the opinion of a lot of people is not necessarily the correct opinion. So, I mean, ये हम अपने देश में हर जगह देख सकते हैं. So my point is that that just because a lot of people are saying कि ये उनका perception है और रहा है, doesn't mean it is true. And I think everything now whatever I do it with that approach. कि बोलने दो फिर, मतलब, you know, ये लोग ऐसे ही बोलते हैं.
Yeah.
I think being a woman is an inherently political act. Being a liberating woman is constantly fighting against and rebelling against society. So, yes, I will talk about periods. Yes, I will talk about feminism because there are people to this date who don't have access to the kind of privileges that I have. And if with my voice I can change even one person's perspective, that's all I'm going to spend my life doing. And for me, it's so humbling and such a moment of awe to be sharing the stage with such powerful women that I would never think is possible if women didn't take up the mic. So I think, yeah, comedy is politics and I will fucking continue to talk about it.
Also, Malika also is finishing like 10 years in the industry. Like, so,
Madam sir,
Madam Sir.
मैडम सर
पिछले 5 साल तो blur ही थे मेरे लिए but yeah, I think 2 things I would like to change about comedy. One is that we must allow endless space to funny people to be vulnerable, to be absolutely vulnerable, to break down, because that is where they make you laugh. You know, you can't just be like, अरे आप हंसाते क्यों नहीं हो पूरे time, and like you have to let them be people. That is where it comes from. That's the source. And the second thing is we need to stop lauding people for tolerating heckling. You know, when we say कि कितने अच्छे से handle किया, निकालो बाहर इनको बस. Like zero tolerance towards heckling is my policy. Like I don't feel okay even trying out anything on stage because I genuinely like, I'm like, shit, किसी ने heckle कर दिया तो मैं क्या करूँगी? And I'm like, this is not part of anything creative. I have not signed up for that. Because I see this a lot online, ki, you know, how brilliantly this person handled a heckler. I'm like, no, they need to be thrown out. So specifically about comedy, I think these 2 things. And बाकी इन 10 सालों में मैंने कुछ नहीं सीखा. मैं और भी immature हुई हूँ. और ना मैंने मकान खरीदा, ना रेंज रोवर, ना critics, journalists. Please, Gurleen, take the mic.
ना stock
What are you doing?
मैं
Just heckle me, please.
मैं आपको बहुत सीरियसली सुन रही हूँ क्योंकि आपने बोला आपके थूक में भी IQ है जो मुझे प्रूव होता हुआ दिखा है पूरी कॉन्वर्सेशन में आपने. आई थिंक मैं जितनी बार भी मिलती हूँ मैं तो पहले मैम बोलती थी. मैं इनिशियली वैसे मिलती थी बिकॉज आई वाज अ वेरी बिग फैन एंड
Boss, okay.
अभी भी मैंने जान नहीं आई स्टिल एम एंड आई थिंक ऐसे तो नहीं मानेंगे हम कि आपने कुछ नहीं किया. आपने बहुत कुछ किया, बहुत कुछ. मानते हो कि नहीं मानते हो?
Of course.
मैं क्याउट.
Shrishti and Karima, let's close with you. What's one change that you'd like to see?
In myself.
in comedy.
Comedy.
कैसे थेरेपी सेशन चल
यार
रहा है?
सबकी बहुत अच्छी सबने बातें बोल दी. I think for me personally, I would like to be more okay with failing this year. I want to try some new things and fail at them massively on a public platform and see how that feels. Because I feel like वो fun I've just removed from my work where I'm like भी सब कुछ ही viral जाना चाहिए और सब कुछ ही सबको अच्छा लगना चाहिए. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. So I just want to be okay with failing this year, and I want to fail very hard this year. Yeah. वाह भाई.
इंशाल्लाह कर रहे भाई.
बहुत सही बात है.
And Karima, you have the closing note.
Oh, I would. I think mine's basic in the sense that it's basic to this room, but I think what I would change about comedy is that girls are funny. The funniest people I know are women, and still people don't think that. I think still people laugh harder at boys' jokes. Still, the same thing that a man will say, if the girl says it, he'll say it louder, and that will get more laughs, no matter how much more nuanced the girl's joke was. I think that's it. Girls are hilarious. They are the funniest people on earth, and more people should know that in comedy.
Yeah. Wow.
This has been lovely. Thank you so much, each one of you, for doing what you do, for making us laugh, but also through that laughter, saying such important things, and for being here, especially. Can we have a huge round of applause for all of them? This was the Yuva All Stars Women in Comedy Roundtable. Lastly, I also want to finally thank Noah, of course, for supporting this conversation. It's just lovely when people just support women and conversations led by women. That's always wonderful. Thank you so much. We've had a great time, and what an opener. We shall
Thank you,
stand up.
Pari.
Thank you so much.